Want to talk real quick hand placement in plank pose. What have you always been told, whether you do yoga, whether you do CrossFit, whether you do any sort of plank, right? What do they tell you? Wrists under shoulders. And why are they telling you wrists under shoulders? Because the three positions that are safest for the shoulder under load are straight down, 90 degrees, all the way up, okay? So when they say stack wrists over shoulders or under shoulders, what are they trying to do? They're trying to create a 90-degree angle because that is a safe position for the shoulder, okay? It's a powerful position for the shoulder. But where is the flaw in that, okay? So if we're trying to get to 90 degrees in my plank pose, so when I stack wrists under shoulders, I am trying to get to 90 degrees. I'm trying to get to here. But where is the flaw? Okay? My body is not parallel to the floor. My body does not, in plank pose, sit like this and I hover my toes off the floor. Okay? I wish I could, but I can't. Okay? What does my body look like? My body is at an angle. And I don't know about you, but can you look, is that 90 degrees? No, that's not. So how do we get closer to 90 degrees so we get a true safe position for the shoulder, a powerful position for the shoulder? We take the hands a few inches forward. Now I gotta give a disclaimer. Your shoulder is not gonna fall off if you practice wrists under shoulders. They're not gonna disintegrate, okay? I'm just trying to get a little bit more optimal position. So if you ever watch me take plank, I am not wrists under shoulders. I am about a hand's distance, about 4 to 6 inches forward. So you can see my hands are a little bit forward, okay? So I am trying to get closer to 90 degrees. Now I'm not gonna bust out a protractor and do all these angles to make sure, is my shoulders at 90 degrees? All I'm trying to do is get a little bit closer. But it does two other things, which is why I also like to teach and practice plank this way. Is number one, it takes the plank out of this deep wrist crease, okay? Gives us a better angle. We already do enough of this in yoga. We already crammed the front of our wrists up enough in vinyasa. So it gives a little bit better angle there. And then two, it forces you to use your core more. So it's kind of a win-win. So play with it. Take the hands a little bit forward. Again, it's not life or death. Your shoulder's not gonna fall apart because you practice wrists under shoulders. It's still a better position, but instead of being here, it is a little bit more here. Okay, so we want to get to here, take the hands a little bit forward in your plank, try to match the angle of the arms with the angle of the body.